Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the new beauty box released by Next Beauty. It's made in partnership with the brand MAC and is called MAC Makeup Must-Haves Box. MAC Makeup Must-Haves Box is retailed for £45 and worth £93. What we know about this beauty box is that it contains 6 products. 5 of them are full-size products, and that's great. Okay, beautiful people, we talked about the beauty box. Now let's discover the beauty treats. First that we find is the leaflet with the information about all the products from the beauty box. This time we have some extra tips about a couple of products, how to use them to get maximum from that product. First product that I took out is a full-size lipstick. Is a matte lipstick in the shade 608 Mare. Is a beautiful mauve nude color. The shade is stunning. We found exactly the same matte lipstick in the same shade when we unboxed the MAC Mystery Makeup bag at the beginning of this year. My opinion about MAC matte lipsticks formula remains the same. It's great. It doesn't dry the lips. It wears nice. As a bad side is that it transfers, you need to reapply it during the day. Next we find a full-size eyeshadow, Prolong Wear Paint Pot. The shade is called Amber Lights Frost. It's a highly pigmented pressed powder. Stays on all day with non-creasing. Can be worn on its own or as an eye base for other eyeshadow shades. The shade is not exactly my cup of tea. It's a beautiful golden bronzy deep shade that can work for many of you. On my eyelids this shade looks bored. Third we find a full-size lip gloss, MAC Lip Gloss in the shade 330 Candy Box. It's a beautiful nude rosy shade. With spring just around the corner, Candy Box is the must-have makeup bag addition. It is the perfect balance of nude and rose, as it enhances the natural look of your lips and brightens them with its famous high shine glass-like finish. I had this lip gloss in the past in the same shade and I cannot say that was amazing. It was sticky. As a finish on the lips it looks beautiful, it has a beautiful shine, but it was uncomfortable to wear, way too sticky. Fifth full-size product that we find is the MAC Pencil Liner in the shade Teddy. It's a dark rich brown shade that will make blue eyes bluer, green eyes greener, and brown eyes more chocolatey. Very nice. The shade match with the eyeshadow shade that we found earlier. What I don't like in this eyeliner is that it has a satin finish. I would have preferred it to have a matte finish. 6 we find, the new mascara released by MAC, MAC Stack Mascara Infinite Build Volume and Length Mascara. This is the little black dress for your lashes, bold, elegant, dramatic and chic. I saw this mascara everywhere on YouTube, on Facebook, and I was tempted to buy it, but I find it a bit pricey, and I tried the mascara from MAC in the past and wasn't wow. And this was the main reason I didn't buy it. Now that I found it in the beauty box, it's even better for me. I have a chance to try it. Just to mention that this mascara is a full-size product too. MAC's Fix Plus Setting Spray. Well, they call it travel size product. To me it looks more as a mini size product. We have 5 ml of a product here. With the MAC Fix Plus Setting Spray we all are familiar. I'm sure that many of you know this product. Many of you love this product. I personally found this MAC Setting Spray as a non-essential product and I will not say anything more. Okay guys, and this was the products from the MAC Must-Haves Beauty Box by Next Beauty. In my opinion, it's a great box for somebody who wants to discover the brand MAC. You have a chance to try many different products from the brand. I like that they included in the box and the new mascara that they released. That is great. And this was today's video. I hope you enjoy it and like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!